Hello students, welcome once again, and we have question over here. Question says if x squared minus 2ax plus a squared equals to 0, find the value of x over a. So we are given x squared minus 2ax plus a squared being equal to 0, and we are to find the value x over a. So you know that the denominator is a, so what we are going to do is that we are going to multiply. So we are going to divide through by a. So okay, we have a squared being the so let's divide both sides by a squared. So we divide all by a squared, x squared over a squared minus 2ax over a squared here plus a squared over a squared being equal to 0. So a squared will get rid of a squared, then over here we are left with x over a, both of them all squared. Then we have a, we'll cancel that, then we are left with x over a, but this time multiplied by 2 plus 1 being equal to 0. So we have x over a, then this is the value we are supposed to find. So what we are going to do is that we are going to let x over a be equal to the variable y. So if y equal to that, let's substitute it here. We have y squared minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation over here. Two values, when you multiply you get positive 1, which is just 1 and 1. Then if I put negative on both sides, so negative 1 minus multiply negative 1, we have positive 1. Then if we add them, we should get negative 2. So we have y squared minus y and minus y again plus 1 equal to 0. So we have this, so we can have that. Then also we can have negative y plus 1 here. So we can have this and that. Then what we are going to do next is that we are going to factorize y out, the common value. So we have y here minus 1, then negative out, so that we can have y here minus 1 here equal to 0. So we have y minus 1, then also y minus 1. So we have y here being y minus 1 equal to 0, and therefore y equal to positive 1. So we have the value of y as 1, but we let x over a equal to y. So if x over a equal to y and y equal to 1, then x over a here is equal to 1. So therefore we have that x over a is equal to 1. Very easy. So this is what we have. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in another section. I hope it was helpful. Have a nice day.